Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with Android 10 and powered by Snapdragon 730G processor with octa-core 2.3 GHz and Adreno 618 GPU. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M31s runs Android 10 One UI 2.0 and powered by Exynos 9611 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G72 MP3. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.7 inches screen size with Super AMOLED Plus display that comes with resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels with 385 ppi pixels density, and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection with plastic back and plastic frame. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M31s is 6.5 inches device with Super AMOLED display having resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 405 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection. Talking about the internal memory, then Galaxy M51 is available in 128GB of memory and 6 or 8GB of RAM, and also supports micro SD XC. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in celestial black and electric blue colors. Moving on to Samsung Galaxy M31s, it is available in two variants of primary storage, that is a 128GB with 6GB RAM and the other variant is 128GB with 8GB RAM. This phone also supports dedicated micro SD access slot. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced colors. If we talk about the dimension of Samsung Galaxy M51, it measures 163.9 by 76.3 by 9.5 mm of height, width, thickness and 213 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M31s measures 159.3 by 74.4 by 9.3 mm of height, width, thickness and 203 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with a quad camera setup, that is 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels with apertures 1.8, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.4 respectively, with wide angle, ultra wide, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out 4K and Full HD videos at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second also. Friends, if you are a selfie lover, then a massive 32 megapixel wide angle camera is available in this device with 2.0 aperture that can record videos, Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Galaxy M31s, it comes with quad camera setup with 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels with wide angle, ultra wide, macro and depth angle with the PDAF, LED flash, panorama and HDR. It shoots out videos of 4K and Full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with selfie camera that is 32 megapixels with 2.2 aperture and wide angle, and can record the videos at 4K and Full HD at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Samsung Galaxy M51 you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like compass, proximity, gyroscope and accelerometer. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, hotspot, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, GPS, NFC, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, fast charging of 25 watt with a reverse charging as well, that can give the massive non-removable 7000 mAh battery is a big boost. Whereas in Samsung Galaxy M31s you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with proximity, compass, accelerometer, gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, GPS, FM radio, RDS, recording, hotspot, 2.0 Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast charging with 25 watts, and it comes with non-removable 6000 mAh battery as well.
So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.